Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cari Salgado, for those that don't know me, and for the one that do, welcome back. Today I have a video. It's all about this beautiful butterfly Ginkgo serve ball from Michael ARAM. So you know guys, I love Michael ARAM and everything that I can get from him, of course for a good price. I just get it if it's possible. So he have a beautiful collection. You can watch some of my videos. I have a few I have a series of 1, 2, 3 and different items that I'm unboxing there. Here is this beautiful item. I got it at Macy's for a good deal. I don't remember, got a little bit ago, was for 25 or 30% off, plus I have some money of the reward points or something like that they give you. I'm gonna open it here. I have so many of these boxes, I really don't know what to do with it. I don't want to throw it away because they are like good material. I don't know, I feel like it can be reusable back. So let's see. Everything comes very well packed, beautiful. This is like how I look inside the box. Oh, it seems pretty big. Here it comes with a Dutch bag, which is amazing because if you have the storage or I don't know, I think it's a good detail, nice detail. Wow, beautiful, so pretty. Here we go. This beautiful item right here. This is the butterfly look like, but it's pretty like leaf, but it have the shape of the butterfly. It's metal. I love the detail. I think it's perfect for the spring season, for Easter decoration. I think we'll be able to use it all year round, anywhere. So pretty. I love it. Inside it's just amazing. It's so shiny. It's like a mirror and it's like a little rusty kind of a look, but shining the same. It's pretty big, so this is what it look like attached to me. It's big and I think it make an amazing statement anywhere where you put it on. Seems like a very good quality, seems like attached very good, and it's pretty big size. Can put inside anything. I will say like bread, because you're able to put like some napkin, you know, and put the bread there, put the fruit. Million use. I love it and I'm very pleasant with this purchase. But they have one, I think, that is bigger than this because it has like 5 butterfly. That one is $4.50, and I'm pretty sure this one is $2.50. But I got it like I told you, like 30% off or 25% off, plus I have some money there for the rewards points. I really think it's a good deal. I really love this. It's amazing. I think it's so pretty, and like I say, you want one of these pieces, try to get it on sale when they at Macy's or Nordstrom or other places up there. Just research and be patient because some of these items go on sale and sometimes a big sale. So yes, this is this beautiful item. It's metal. I hope you guys love it like I do. Let me know if you have any of these my core ARAM items, or this one in specific, how you like it, how you take care of them, or how long they last with no issues. I do know that they only hand wash. So thank you very much for stop by and watch this video. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys stop soon to watch other of my videos. So have a wonderful day. Bye.